Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another review video, and this time it's going to be for a pair of workout rings. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. Solid wood. I've already actually opened it up and taken a little peek-see. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get them out. Let's show you what you can do with them. Home workouts, gym workouts, take them to the local park. I'll give you a couple ideas how to use them. Great for strength training. So let's go ahead and get on into it. And just like all my videos, in the description box below the video, I will have this exact same product linked up. For you guys in the UK, if they sell it in the UK, I'll have you guys linked as well, or similar ones to them. Those will be in the description box below. What's cool about this pair of rings here, these are solid wood. Let's go ahead and get that box out of the way there. Adjustable, gives you a little bit of instructions there, and a thank you welcome card that the company provides there. Again, solid wood, really cool. And they also give you some nice wraps for the wood that you would go ahead and twirl it around if you don't want your hands on solid wood, if you rather have them on these wraps here. Again, very high quality, solid wood. Very thoroughly nice there. Obviously, we've seen wood before, but it's giving you just a close-up shot there. We have our nylon straps with our adjustable feeders there. And what's cool is we have little marks on here and Velcro where you can go ahead and bundle them back up if you didn't want to leave them hanging. And our marks on here are for the desired feet. So my guess is that is 15 feet, 14 feet, 13 feet. You guys get the idea, going all the way down to 0. And of course, there are 2 down below there. They're just wrapped up differently. That's why the numbers are off a little bit. High quality metal buckles with some nice gripping teeth there to prevent slipping. Overall, the quality is looking very, very nice. Let's go ahead and show you what we can do with them now. You got your desired numbers right here to make sure they're both on even. Clip in around a metal pole, pull-up rack on the back of your door, etc. And then you could do back biceps, biceps this way, do chest, chest this way, and again, it's gonna get a little harder if you go down more. So we'll go down to, how about right there? Again, take them to the park, get a nice little workout in, little chest. We can go nice and low. Go one hand, one foot, not one hand, one foot. And again, use the back of your door in your house, use pull-up bar. Every gym has one of these, solid. Of course, abs, you go up, and you can do abs. That way I'm a little tired after class though. What I like to do though, is stretch it out like this, and then go reverse, and then do abs, reverse, and then you come back around, and then back around, and then drop down. Well guys, definitely high quality. As you saw from the video, hanging upside down. They weren't budging on me. Very secure. So again, I'm looking forward to taking these to the park. Again, use a pull-up bar on the back of your door, your local park pull-up bar, and get a great strength training workout in. Again, look in the description box below for the link for this exact same pair of rings. And I do definitely enjoy the high quality of them. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.